Oo.
Recently lang yan, nung naglabas ng Directive and Edit. He was so inspired with the life of coloring na nakita lang niya sa Facebook. Meron siyang anak na may sakit na Sanfilippo disease. No? It's a rare disease sa mga bata. At nung nakita niya yung kwento ni Coloring, parang nakutuban siya na parang through her, gagaling yung anak niya. Kasi kung malapit si Coloring sa mga bata, nagtuturo. So sabi niya, I want to pray to Coloring for her intercession. Uuwi siya ng May 7 dito sa Philippines to visit the tomb of Coloring. So that's the first, outside Pasig. The second ay a deacon from Milan, Italy. When he saw the life of Coloring, he even requested the draft biography to me. Nakabuo siya ng kanta